This is the main gate to go to Patitanga Beach. Wow, look busy down there. One more bike parking. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street before the sunset down. And over to today, start from the west part on Kayu Aya Street. Let's see together how busy is this area today. Yeah, left side, it's way down there. That's good. Actually, in the right side, there is we call big resort, and they are connecting to Patitanga Beach. We have Sapphire Resort, and they also have restaurant just by the beach. And the next is the Melasti. Right side, wow, it is down there. That's good. Oh, sorry, the Legian. Sorry. Right side is the Legian Resort and Spa. Also, the resort is connecting by Patitanga Beach. You see left side? Wow, easier. That's just good. Usually, every time I drive around this area, it's always quiet. But now, we can see more tourists in this area. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah. This is Kudeta, the main gate to go to Kudeta, and this is we call the Oberoi, right side. And now we are nearby shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Yeah, right side, Kayu Aya Square. Yeah, people down there, but not really busy. Oh, a bit quiet in this area. Yeah, maybe tourists go to the beach, not shopping. Because the weather was so beautiful today. To the sunset, to see the sunset on the beach. Yeah. Wow, this is shopping center area. I make video in the afternoon because during the day when I make video in this area was very quiet a few days ago. So that's why I try in the afternoon. I thought it was busy, but not so bad. Better than the midday. Wow, right side and left side. People down there. It's quite busy, isn't it? They're just good. Yeah, left side. This is Seminyak Square. Traffic jam. Traffic jam. If I turn left, that is Seminyak Village Mall. Okay, let's keep continue driving on Kayu Aya Street. You see that? Wow, it's way down there. It's good. It's quite busy. Also on the right side, it's way down there. See, wow, busy, 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 busy. Even in the restaurant, wow, early dinner. Early dinner. Right side also Kitri down there. Step by step, Seminyak Bali is getting more busier. Wow, that's good. And on Kayu Aya Street, there is some famous restaurant and also nightclub like Lava Vela, Nirvana. It's down there, spot bar, Ginger Moon, Magraima. And also we have famous restaurant we call Italian Job. Oh, P3 down there inside. It's good. Left side, right side, busy, busy, busy. See, right side, super busy, 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 busy. They're just good. Also left side. Wow, everywhere. Yeah, it is really getting busier in Seminyak Bali. See that? Wow. Left side, Indian people. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Woohoo! Yeah, Indian people left side. And right side maybe China. We're not sure. Actually around this time there is a lot of Indian people come to Bali. I just been airport, was busy down there with Indian people. Right side, the good. Wow, spot bar, busy down there. It's good. The good, yeah. Food restaurant, another restaurant. Wow, it's right down there. That's good. On Kayu Aya Street, also very famous for shopping because there is a lot of art shop in this area. And also a few nice restaurants as Corner House. For the nightclub, we have a Red Carpet, Lava Vela, and also Mixicola. This is the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street before the sunset down. Step by step, it's getting busier. That's good because peak season is starting from now until September, October. Yeah, this is Corner House restaurant. Also very famous, a lot of tourists inside. But when the dinner time will be more busier down there. game. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. So what do you think? Getting more busier, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Whoa, quite hard to drive in. Too many cars at the junction.